Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The 14th formation event for pastoral workers, Evangelizer, marked a new chapter in its growth this year in Porto. For the first time, it was held over 2 days on 28 and 29 September under the motto, "This hope does not deceive." The event, organized as usual by Salesianos Editora and Fundacio Salesianos, saw an impressive number of participants with more than 780 registered. Hosted as usual at the Salesian Institute in Porto, the event began with a moment of prayer, followed by the opening conference led by Father Rui Alberto, Editorial Director of Salesianos Editora. Afterwards, pastoral workers were able to participate in 5 of the 25 workshops offered in the program at their choice. The topics were diverse and focused on the challenges facing pastoral workers today: inclusion and diversity, positive discipline in catechesis, talking about God to those who do not believe, psychology of adolescence, assertive communication, and also formation on the new NEHU's catechetical curriculum, among others. A year after the beginning of the conflict, the small Christian community in Gaza, which has seen its numbers halved, continues to face enormous challenges in the midst of violence that does not want to stop. In recent months, many people have sought refuge in churches which have tragically become targets themselves. At the beginning of the war, an attack caused damage to an Orthodox church and the devastating loss of several human lives. In addition, the bombings hit a Protestant hospital, further endangering the safety of the community. In July, the Holy Family School in Gaza was also targeted, which provided shelter and protection to hundreds of civilians since the beginning of the conflict. With no resolution in sight, the conflict is expected to continue and its effects to worsen. Many homes of Christians have been destroyed. The West Bank is experiencing a disturbing wave of violence that is leading to widespread destruction, numerous arrests, and tragic casualties. The Central Commission of the Salesian Vocational Training Centers, VET Centers in America, together with all the heads of these VET centers, is preparing for the face-to-face meeting to be held in Uruguay from 21st to 25th October 2024. The heads of the SFP VET are continuing through remote meetings their path of consolidation on the network and are preparing at the same time the meeting scheduled for this month in Uruguay, focused on the quality of the educational proposal following the guidelines of the sector for youth ministry in relation to the vocational training centers of the Salesian congregation. Strategy without execution means nothing. These were the words of Father Maximus Okoro SDB, Director of Don Bosco Tech Africa. Our collective effort, he further explained, will be required to achieve the objectives outlined in DBTA's strategic and sustainability plan over the next 5 years. Father Maximus was speaking at the Strategic Plan 2025 to 29 workshop organized by Don Bosco Tech Africa, which was successfully hosted from 23rd to 26th September 2024 at Don Bosco Yes Karen, Nairobi, Kenya. His comment was part of his concluding remarks, in which he highlighted the importance of the innovative discussions and feedback that emerged during the workshop, emphasizing that these contributions will play a key role in shaping the future of youth empowerment in Africa. He reminded the participants of the need for focused and collaborative execution of the strategies outlined during the workshop. The Extraordinary General Assembly of the World Confederation of Past Pupils of Don Bosco, the 5th largest group in order of membership of the Salesian family, as well as the largest in the world, begins on Wednesday, 2nd October 2024 in Turin, Valdoco. For 5 days until next Sunday, 6th October, the representatives of the different federations scattered in all 5 continents are called to make a path of authentic renewal under the banner of the EGWA motto, "Working Together, Change to Continue." So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.